In this video, we will learn about two fundamental types of AI models, those that categorize and those that create. We'll uncover the core difference between these two powerful approaches. For a long time, AI was mainly about classifying what already existed, like recognizing faces or identifying spam. But what if we want AI to do more than just identify? What if we want it to imagine, to innovate, to build something entirely new? This is where generative models became crucial. They unlocked the potential for AI to be a true partner in creativity and discovery, producing novel data. This shift fundamentally changed what we expect AI to do. Let's start with discriminative models. Think of them as a club's bouncer. Their main job is to tell you if something belongs to a certain group or not. They learn to draw clear lines to separate categories. Now, let's meet generative models. Think of them as a talented chef. Instead of just identifying dishes, a chef knows the ingredients and techniques to create an entirely new, delicious meal from scratch. Generative models understand the patterns and relationships in the data, not just the boundaries. With this knowledge, they can then produce variations. You now understand the core purpose, powerful capabilities, and fascinating progression of generative AI and discriminative models. This knowledge empowers you to better appreciate and even contribute to the future of artificial intelligence. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.